Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you want your businesses to show up at the top of Google Maps, especially when people nearby search for products or services like yours, Google Maps ads are the way to go. These ads are powered by Google Ads and can drive local traffic straight to your doorstep. Now in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create Google Maps ads step by step. So let's follow these few simple steps together. The first step is to set up a Google Ads account. And to do that, just go to ads.google.com and create an account if you haven't already. Let's look for ads.google.com and go to the website here and sign in. Click on sign in. You can click on switch here, use your already existing Google account and create a new Google Ads account. You can add the informations, etc. Now once you create an account, link your Google Business profile by making sure you have a verified Google Business profile. Let's see here, this is Google Business profile. And here in Google Ads, go to Assets, then Business Location and link your business. And as for the third step is to create a local campaign. Now in Google Ads, after you create the account, etc., in the Google Ads, click plus new campaign and choose local store visits and promotions under campaign goals and select local campaign type. And for the fourth step, enter campaign details by setting your budget, target locations, languages and ad schedules. And for the fifth step, add ad assets by writing your ad copy, upload images and make sure your business location is correctly shown. And for the sixth and final step, launch and monitor by submitting the campaign. Once approved, your ad will show up on Google Maps, Search, YouTube and more. Google Maps ads put your business right where your customers are looking. By targeting local users on the go, you boost visibility and drive more foot traffic effortlessly. A small investment can make a huge impact locally. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and feel free to leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.